I'm going to give you a strategy that is helpful. It works for me. And yeah, tell me if it works for you, if you have not already found your strategy. So if you have a system that works for you, if you have a strategy that works for you, stick with it, right? This is for people who's trying to find a system and trying to find an understandable strategy that they could follow and repeat constantly in the markets, right? So let's say we're on the 4-hour time frame. Obviously, you would already know you had to find your bias to figure out where the market is heading. So you might start from a daily. We're in this big range on the daily here. We have some major levels of resistance and some levels of support, minor support, XYZ, minor resistance, right? So let's just make it as simple as possible. I'm waiting for price to react to see how price reacts off of these major levels of support and resistance. It has some minor levels here, but I'm looking at the major levels, right? These are the two scenarios. If price comes up to this level of resistance, if price comes up to this level of resistance, if the candle does not close above and it closes back below here, I would then enter for a sell. If it breaks out, I would wait for the move to push, then I would wait for the price to come back down to retest this level, making sure that price has established support, which was once resistance, to then continue up to break the previous high that it made, right? So let's see how price reacts to this level. If it happens to get to this level, I'm going to skip past 4-hour candle. So mind you, this is time passing by. You have to wait. You have to have patience for it to play off, right? So I skip forward 1 candle. Okay, price is at the level. It did not close above. It closed back in the range. It closed. So I would enter for a sell. I click sell. I set my target possibly to like to here, and my stop loss, pretty tight stop loss. So I'll set it to like the next high because this is a 4-hour, right? So let's see how this plays out. Let's skip forward a little bit to see how price reacts to this level. All right, speed it up a little bit more. Let's see how price reacts to this level. Should I skip just to make this video a little bit quicker? So I would skip 1 candle. Oh. I would also skip another candle. Yep, and I got my trade. All right, so that's exit position. Simple as that. Let's try one more. All right, let's see where price heads to. Skip. Skip. All right, price end up heading all the way back down. Skip, skip, skip. I mean, this is like a minor level. Price may be retesting to continue down. So price broke the minor level of support. Is this like a retest? Possibly, to then continue back down. So let's continue. Let's see how price reacts off of this level if it happens to test it. All right, so it had a slight retest. Continue a bit, continue a bit. Okay, so price did not close below. I enter for a buy. I set my stop loss. I set my take profit. Let's do a here, and I set my stop loss briefly beneath here. Let me look to the left, right, just to be extra safe. All right, so let's see what plays out. Let's go forward a bit in time. Yeah, very close to my stop. This shit is so close to my stop loss right now. Yo. Let's see what price does in this area. That was so close to my stop loss. Like, oh my days. I think I'll close this position. Let's exit. All right, hit my take profit. So thanks so much for watching. And remember, with every strategy that you use, it's not going to win 100% of the times. There would be losses. You could have 7 losses in a row. But as long as you manage your risk, keep your psychology solid, and have an edge and a system that you could replicate over and over again when you see the opportunities present themselves in the market, right? So don't forget, the links are in my bios for the brokers that I use. You have either binary options or you have Forex. So check them out and subscribe. I hope this was helpful to you. Trade safe.